In May, the President, according to the Associated Press, likened our requirements for a stay in Iraq to what we have seen in Korea. The Congressional Budget Office estimates from 2009 to 2017, even if we go down to 75,000 troops in Iraq, that additional cost would be $1 trillion. And then from 2018 to 2057, with a Korea-like presence, would cost another $1 trillion for a total of $2.5 trillion. This is truly a stunning amount of money, $2.5 trillion. And that assumes a very substantial drawdown from current troop levels. I think this needs to be a part of the discussion and the debate. We have got very serious financial challenges facing this country. And the President is clearly calling for a long-term commitment. People need to have this information. My colleagues need to have this information. What are we really talking about when the President talks about an enduring commitment? What are we really talking about in terms of a resource commitment?